The most common thing to do with banana peels is to throw them in the trash. However, there are various miraculous uses for this frequently overlooked product. The peels can be used in your kitchen as a cleaning product or in your beauty routine. We are going to show you 6 beneficial ways that you can use the skin of the banana you just ate. Number 1. Easy composting. Adding a banana peel to your compost pile will help introduce more calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphates, potassium, and sodium, all of which are vital to the healthy growth of your plants. Cut the banana peels into smaller pieces. Bury the banana skins under the plant you want to fertilize, ideally next to the roots. Water the plant right away to let the soil sit on top of it. Number 2. Helps reduce wrinkles. Facial wrinkles occur when the skin loses its elasticity and it loses its firmness. The antioxidants and vitamin C in bananas can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rub the banana peel over your skin and leave for 30 minutes or overnight. Wash your face and moisturize. Repeat 3 times a week. Number 3. Whiten your teeth. Ripe banana peels are very rich in potassium that can help reduce yellow stains that appear as a result of the consumption of certain beverages such as coffee and tea, and certain foods such as blueberries and raspberries. Brush your teeth and rinse your teeth well. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub it on your teeth for 2 minutes. Rinse your teeth again and repeat daily. Number 4. They can polish your silver. When your silver begins to lose its luster or it begins to tarnish, try using a banana peel. The inside of a banana peel contains substances such as potassium that can help clean metal objects. Take the banana peels and place them in a blender. Add half a cup of water to the mix. Mix until it becomes a paste. Rub your silver with the paste for a few minutes. Number 5. They help relieve itchy skin. Banana peels are a great home remedy for itchy skin. Banana peels contain histamine, lowering nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Use a banana peel to relieve itching from poison ivy or mosquito bites. Apply the banana skin to the affected area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and repeat to additional affected areas. Number 6. Keeps you regular. The banana peel itself is loaded with fiber, making it an easy way to stay regular. For those who can't quite seem to stomach aching the entire peel, scrape out as much of the insides as you are able using a spoon. This high fiber is great for digestion. Have you used any of these tips and tricks with banana peels? Let us know in the comments below.